What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right place. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Dopp kit from Topo Designs. So, stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, so welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the Dopp kit or toiletry bag from Topo Designs. Now this bag did come in one of my nomadic boxes, so I figured I have been using this for a while. I don't remember what box it came in, but I have been using it for a while. It replaced my regular toiletry bag. This isn't something I would carry hiking with me, but it is definitely something that I will travel with. So it replaced my regular toiletry bag, and I'm going to give you some information about it. So let's go to my cheat sheet here. So it is 11 inches wide, 5.5 inches high, and 5.5 inches deep. It is 3 liters or 183 cubic inches. You can pick this up in 15 different color combinations. All right. So the cool thing about this, unlike other Dopp kits or toiletry bags, is it is triangular in shape. All right. So what that means is when it's sitting down on the counter or wherever and you're using it, you unzip and everything is right there. You don't have to fight to roll it. You don't have to do anything like that. You have easy access. So this holds a lot of stuff for traveling. I usually am carrying whatever beard products I'm testing at the time. Could be oils, could be butters, could be washes, whatever. I'm carrying my normal shampoo, my normal either soap or body wash, a little pair of scissors for my beard, comb, all the different stuff that you may need to carry with you traveling. This holds a lot of stuff. So it's got YKK zipper here. It's got a really cool zipper pull, paracord-ish kind of zipper pull. You've got a hand strap here that you can use and hold it on your hand. Say you do take it hiking or camping, you can put this on your arm and you can take it to the showers or the creek, wherever you need to go, and it's not gonna roll or fall or flip. Everything is right there. I really like this. It is just a really cool bag. Great design from Topo Design. Now this came, like I said, it came in my nomadic box. I have a link to nomadic in the description below. I'll also put a card up top to a playlist where you can go see some nomadic unboxings. But let's talk about the inside. So our outside is, all this is a canvas type material down here, so it's thick, it's rugged. On the inside you've got a thinner nylon material that you can wipe out. I have spilled a couple little things in here. I'll just wipe them out, but I like the fact that it's different color than the outside, so it doesn't blend. You know it's open, you know you can see what you need in there, especially with it being a bright color. It is hand wash only, and there is a tag in here, so let's get this. The body is 100% nylon, liner 100% nylon, and let's see, is hand wash only. Do not bleach, dry flat, do not iron, do not dry clean, and let's see what else. That's it. So if it's empty, it folds down really small. So if you're traveling with nothing and you're going somewhere to get stuff, whatever, there you go. But it is a really cool travel bag. I love this. It has gone with me all summer traveling. It has gone with me most recently a couple weeks ago, about 2 weeks ago, and this is just my go-to travel bag now, and I really like it. It fits well in the suitcase. It just kind of folds down a little bit if you don't have it packed out full. So yeah, really cool. So let's talk price. Price on this is going to run you about $27, $28 at the time of filming this. Now it's on Amazon, so you know prices go up and down, but this will run you about $27. And like I said, there are 13 different color combinations. Cat, you're not supposed to be in the video. Anyway, so there it is. I can't remember exactly what color. I'll try to figure out which color combination this is, and I'll drop it in the comment or in the description below, so you'll know exactly which one this one is if you just like this color combination. But get over and check it out. 13 different color combinations. A really cool Dopp kit or toiletry bag, however you want to call it, made from Topo Designs. We've gotten a couple things from Topo Designs from nomadic boxes, and I have not been disappointed. Every one of them has been really cool and really useful product. So there it is. I think that's all I've got. Let me double check my cheat sheet. Yes, that's all I've got. So link will be in the description. Check it out. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that thumbs up if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Drop me a comment. Would you use something like this? Regardless of the price, don't think about the price at $27. I mean, don't think about the price, but would you use something like this for traveling or for hiking or camping or anything like that? It is very, feels very durable. It has lasted me really well. It has gone on numerous trips with me, and I can tell you there's zero wear. So absolutely love this. I think that's all I've got. So check it out. Let me know in the comments. And until next time, stay bearded. Get outdoors. And God bless.